All right, we're doing valve cover gaskets today on my 210. This was done 8 years ago with a lot of miles on it, probably 50,000. So it's leaking pretty bad on the exhaust manifold. Just finished the passenger side. We're on the driver. Looks pretty good for 200,000. A little varnish, not too bad. This side's actually a little bit nicer. New gasket is seated. Hardest part is just getting it on without pinching it. And I replaced my fan shroud. New clip for the hose. This is only if you have a 55 radiator and air box on your 430. Otherwise, this is unnecessary. All right, so I did calendars again this year for 2023, and they are here. So if you want one, watch the video and I'll explain some details. But let's check it out first. So this is the cover. It features my 210, and this features the Brabus, the E60, and my 124. So it's pretty cool. We got the E60 at the AMG Thousand Oaks event for January. February, that's my 210 in Corona Del Mar, right at sunset. That was a really cool day. E60 rolling shot on PCH. This is when we had the Brabus and the E60 out at the same time at Supercars by Sea 2020. This was a really cool day. This was taken by Ryan Leap. I don't know if you're watching this, but shout out. This one was by Yuki Garage. Another one by Yuki Garage. This is the Brabus E65 at Corona Del Mar. This is actually the day we had the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S installed. Really cool. Brabus E65 rolling on PCH. Also another shot by Ryan Leap, and that's me driving. This was also a really cool day. This is when the E60 and the Brabus were rolling together. Brabus E65 at sunset at Corona Del Mar. If you notice, all these pictures are pretty much at the beach. This is also by Yuki Garage. This is my 124 at Corona Del Mar. Another one of Brabus at the beach. This is my 210 on top of the roof. This one is by Ryan Leap. This is back when I had the AMG style 3s, and those are actually wrapped. You can almost kind of tell. And no tint. Not proper. Oh, this is a really cool shot. This is by Keep It 300 Fidel. If you follow him on Instagram. Really cool transparent hood shots of the Brabus and the E60 at the beach at Supercars by the Sea 2020. This was such an awesome day. This was the day we also got the roller shots with Ryan. I think I took this shot. This is the Brabus E65's engine. That's pretty funny. I think I have all the pictures here. This is the only one I took. And the final one by Fidel is the Brabus E65 and Preston C63 behind us. If you watch the first Brabus vlog, you'll see what this day was, and you'll see the entire process of shooting it. This is actually a really awesome day with some cool friends. And that's it. So these are the calendars for 2023. So pricing, if you meet up with me in person, and I'll post on my Instagram where I'm going. So at the time of this filming, we are taking the Brabus E65 out to Sunday Steel, which is tomorrow when I'm filming this. So in person, I'll sell these for 20 bucks. If I have to ship it, I can ship it anywhere in the States, I believe, for about 30. These are limited to 25 only. So at the time of this filming, there's already less than 25 in inventory. So I would say jump on it quick. The best way to reach me is through Instagram. So reach me there. It's at SoCal210, same username. If you don't have Instagram, if you're logged in on YouTube, you can go to my channel, click on the About page, and there's an email listed there. If you don't want to do that, I'll just list it here. It's SoCal, the number 2, and then ten@gmail.com. So it'll be on the screen, you'll see it. You could contact me through there. We could set up shipping and payment. For payment, I prefer PayPal or Venmo. Those are the only two options I'm gonna be accepting. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed making it. These photos were super cool to take. Now you got like a little backstory of all the photos, which is awesome. I hope if anyone buys it, please tag me on Instagram. I will repost it. This is so cool to see that there's like any amount of interest in this at all. I didn't expect to sell any of them. So I hope to hear from you via Instagram or email, or maybe we can meet up in person one day. All right, it is the morning of Sunday Steel. Let's see if we get a good cold start. Yeah, sometimes this thing doesn't like to have a nice cold start. It'll just turn on real quick and then the idle will die down like immediately. That was a nice cold start. It actually revved up for a bit of time, which is nice. Neighbors probably don't appreciate it, but it still sounds great. All right, time to head out. So I'll point out that the heated seats in this car are like way warmer than anything that comes stock from Benz. It actually is almost uncomfortable what it is at level 2. It heats up quite a bit quicker as well. Some pretty major fog this morning. This is pretty insane. I can barely see that car in front of me. All right, we're out here with the Brabus 16 valve resto mod and the Ferrari 355. Thanks to Christopher from San Diego, Ross, and Preston for coming out buying calendars. I really appreciate it, guys. Fully AMG kitted E300 diesel. All right, and after Sunday Steal, I did sell a couple of calendars, so thanks to those who bought some. I have about 15 calendars left. Hit me up on Instagram or via email if you want one. I am not going to be producing a second batch. Once they're gone for good. And a shout out to Preston for giving me these little toy cars. So we got a red 500E, which is awesome. Hot Wheels 500E, and a Matchbox 210 with a red interior to match my 210. So this is really cool of you, Preston. Thank you for giving me this. I really appreciate it. Okay, we're back from Sunday Steal. I didn't get too much footage over there. That was really cool talking to everybody that showed up. Thanks for coming out, guys. We are back. So now I'm gonna be taking my 210 home. So we just did the valve cover gaskets and we re-greased the sway bar because it was making so much noise. The good news is the valve covers no longer leak, which is huge. And I greatly reduced the sway bar noise. It's still there slightly, but it's way better than it was before. It's almost livable. So I'll figure that out at another date. Got to film some cool content with this. Check it out on my Instagram and my TikTok. We just shot some really cool photos and video. It should be included in this video, but check out Instagram if you haven't seen it. And that never gets old. Brabus has got like maximum LEDs on W210. We got LED turn signals, LED fog lights, even LED inner running lights. So the outer ones are just halogens, but the inner ones are LED. So it's like fully maxed out. I think it's only possible on a pre-facelift. We were stopping by the dealer to get some shots in front of it. All right, time to fill up the gas tank. So we got 179.2 miles with about a quarter left. So let's see how bad the fuel economy was. It's $5.19 a gallon for 91 octane here in California. All right, so we had 13.997 here. So 179.3 divided by 14 is about 12.5 miles per gallon. So that's just how poorly this car does on fuel economy. Of course, this is kind of mixed highway and city driving, but when you're driving this car, you're not trying to get the best fuel economy. And whenever people usually ask, I just say it doesn't matter. It's always a great time taking this car out, but it's time to put it away. But I am glad to have my 210 back. It's been a little while, kind of missed it.